everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am sharing with you the last video of my 2023 downstairs makeover refresh series. This is the kitchen, of course, you can see, and I am beginning with decluttering my countertops, not my countertops, but the top of my cabinets, by taking down all of these plants that have been up here since I've been in my home, and I'm going to have to do some serious dusting, which you will not be seeing because I have my duster charging attached to my cordless vacuum cleaner. So if you're interested in watching how I just give my kitchen a refresh by just decluttering and just making it look brighter for 2023 winter season, then just keep watching. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. So now that I got everything all up top, I can't dust off of there yet. I was going to use my hand dust vac, but it's charging up. So in the meantime, I'm going to clean off the top of the refrigerator and then off the top of my countertops. And then by that time, my duster should be charged enough where I can dust off the top of the cabinets, and then I'll put everything back in its place. So I'm going to start at the top of the refrigerator first. And all I'm using is hot bleach and water, and then for scrubbing tough stains or anything that's built up, I'm using this side and then this side to wipe down. And I'm going to give my exercise because I don't have a bucket. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm going to be going up and down this ladder. I wanted to share something with you all. I have this mirror by my refrigerator, and look what I use it for. Writing down my grocery list, because when I open up my fridge or my freezer, my cabinets, and I see that I'm low on something, I just go ahead and write it down. And this is with, of course, a dry eraser and marker, so it's easily just to wipe off. But I put it by my fridge, not intending for this to be that, but it works for me. How many of y'all do that? And I got this idea, I think, off of Pinterest or Instagram. I know it wasn't TikTok, but it works for me because I don't have anything magnetic far as to put on here, and I don't want to put anything on my refrigerator anyway. So I put it here, and it works. My grocery list, you can see I got my medallion dressing, ginger ale, cream cheese, spinach leaves for salad, peanut butter, avocado. So, and it works for me. So let's get back to cleaning. Okay, I'm getting ready to wipe off this coffee area here. Okay, the first thing I'll put up there is my bullet. This is just a reminder to drink my lemon water every morning before I drink coffee or eat anything. I found a lot of health benefits from drinking the lemon water. I mean, just taking the lemon and cutting it up in sections, taking a whole lemon, cutting it up in 4 sections, and putting the whole thing in the cup and some water and blending the whole thing. The only thing I cut off and trash are the ends. But I've been doing this now since November, and there's a lot of health benefits in that. What I find is that I'm not achy, my body's not aching in the morning anymore, and my fingers, my bones used to stiffen up and were achy and sore. I don't have that problem anymore from drinking the lemon water. I may show one morning how I do it on my YouTube channel for those that are interested in how and what I do when I'm drinking my water. But that's the first thing I put up there. And then my coffee maker. Let's see, I'll put this back here. And then I have my strainer, and that is to strain the pulp and seeds out of my lemon water. But I put it back here because I don't want it to crowd up my coffee station. And then I put up under here, you can't see it, I'll show you. I put up under here a wine glass holder. See, there's a wine glass holder, and this here that white circle thing holds a push light. But I put a wine glass holder here since I have the wine fridge here. Okay, so I'm going to get back to it. Okay, so we're coming down to the end of the video. This tea towel ladder, it is a DIY. I uploaded the video about 2 days ago from this video. And if you're interested, I will put the link to that video in my description box. Also coming up here real quick on the other side of my stove, I'm setting up. I'll be sharing with you how I created my own air freshener that I use in a teapot or a mini crock pot, and it's created using bath bombs. So I'm done with my kitchen, but I just want to show you all. I just refilled this with water, and I'm just taking just a little bit of this. These are just bath bombs that I crushed up and sprinkled in water. And this will last for hours. It burns down, or not burns, but it goes down slowly, and it smells up my entire living room area downstairs, and it smells so amazing. So now let me just give you the tour of my kitchen. Okay, here it is. I like the clean look of all that greenery taken down, and everything is all nice and neat. And I've had this can since I've been here, since I bought this house in 2014, and I'm not getting rid of it, so you just know what I'm going to do as a DIYer. It's getting spray painted black, nothing wrong with it. There's no need for me to spend money to buy something that I already have and it's working fine. I put this shelf up here. Whenever I put my trash out, I always use this hand sanitizer. But here is this side of my stove, all nice and neat. It used to be a whole lot of decor up here. To me, this still looks like a lot, but I always use the knives. The salt and pepper shaker is just decor. I don't use that. I keep my bread stored there, and again, this is just releasing a nice aroma in the air. That's just a decor, these two, and that's actually hiding that outlet because it melted. It melted when I had this air fryer up against it. I pull the air fryer now away from the wall because I know better now. And this is something I got from the thrift store some time ago. I actually glued it on top. It's not permanent. It's glue gun. I can easily pop it, and I'm talking about this part because this thing is heavy. That's real marble. And over here, my DIY ladder. I use this every single day. Let's see, let's pan around here. One day I will open this up and make it over. Right now, you all really don't want to see what that looks like. And here's my coffee area. Every single day I use it because I make my coffee every day and a piece of toast. Every once in a while I'll get a cookie with some cocoa or coffee. And again, my wine fridge that my daughter gave me, and it does work. It's on. You can hear it, and it's nice and cool. Just waiting for a couple of bottles of wine to be mailed to me from a friend of the family. And you remember my little grocery list on my mirror there. But I love that the top, that's the only thing that I put, because every once in a while I'll get a cake or something, and I don't want to have to keep pulling that out of the cabinet, so it's easier for me just to climb on my ladder to get it. And I love that my countertops are cleared. I did vacuum or use my dust buster to just dust from up there. And here's my island. These chairs are going to get covered. If you notice, this one and then this one over here is lighter because my daughter had them in Florida on her back patio. She never used them, so I'm going to be, a company is sending me some bar stool covers. I'm waiting for those to come and cover that because I'm got some things coming in for spring. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this simple 2023 kitchen makeover refresh. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.